Hello friends, welcome to the Techlized channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI 315.6-inch GeForce RTX 3050 gaming laptops. So friend, MSI unveiled 3 new models of 15.6-inch gaming laptop featuring the GeForce RTX 3050 laptop review, and these devices are said to be available for purchase from announcement that in design for portability. This gaming laptop boasts a slim profile with a thickness of 21.7 mm and with a weight of 1.86 kg, and the display is a non-glare Full HD panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, enhancing visual clarity and fidelity. Gaming connectivity options include Gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 with Windows 11 Home pre-installed operating system. And friend, the range includes 3 models. The Thin-15-B13UC-6001JP, equipped with a Core i7-13628 CPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, and the Thin-15-B13UC-3002JP, featuring the same CPU but 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD, and the third Thin-15-B13UC-5002JP, which comes with a Core i5-12450H CPU, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD. Each model is powered by 53.5-hour 3-cell lithium-ion battery capable of up to 9 hours of continuous use for JEITA 2.0 standards. And friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.